Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn on how to add Dropbox on the File Explorer. It's an easy and simple process. All you gotta do is watch this video till the end without skipping. So let's get started. To add Dropbox on a File Explorer, you need to have Dropbox app on your device. If you don't have it, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type for Dropbox, then hit enter. Then tap on the desktop app to install Dropbox on your PC. Then tap on the install button to download the Dropbox exe file. And when that's done, open and install Dropbox on your PC. And when you install Dropbox on your PC, this file will be created automatically. And guys, that was it. This is how you add Dropbox on your File Explorer. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update, and feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.